Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install EV charging with Con Edison incentives, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by researching the available incentives from Con Edison for EV charging installations. Visit the Con Edison website to find the most up-to-date information on rebates and programs for electric vehicle charging. Determine the type of EV charger you want to install, considering factors such as charging speed and location. Select a licensed electrician who is familiar with EV charger installations and Con Edison's incentive programs. Request a site assessment from your chosen electrician to evaluate your home's electrical system and determine installation feasibility. Obtain a quote for the installation, including any necessary electrical upgrades. Apply for Con Edison's incentive program online before proceeding with the installation. Fill out the application form, providing necessary documentation such as your installation quote and any required permits. After submitting your application, wait for confirmation from Con Edison regarding your eligibility. Once approved, schedule the installation with your electrician. Ensure all necessary permits are obtained before installation begins. During the installation, the electrician will set up the charger and connect it to your electrical system. After the installation is complete, perform a test to ensure that the charger is functioning correctly. Keep all documentation related to the installation and the incentive application for your records. Follow up with Con Edison if you have not received your rebate within the expected timeline. Enjoy the convenience of charging your electric vehicle at home while benefiting from available incentives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.